Okay, this is a review update. I bought this some time ago now, but been using it for quite some time and I'm very happy with it. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to have a time lapse showing exactly how long it takes. Underneath the time lapse there will be a time that show you exactly how long that will charge up the battery. Let's try to do a test. AAA, just charging 2 and see the time how long will it take. Okay, just finished charging fully and I need to look at the time lapse to tell me exactly how long it takes. So between now, let's have a quick look at time lapse. Using this for over a year now. I'm very happy about it. I know that when I first do a first review, I say I'm going to let you guys know how long they're going to take and how good they were. I can't really tell as I'm not expert, but now I've been using it for a year or so. I can give you a solution. I can give you a solution. Okay, solution is quick, easy, and I'm very happy with it. Thank you guys, and see you guys next time.